Welcome back friends, and in this video I am going to tell you one thing which is very important and may not be knowing by many of us. If who are knowing it may skip the video. This is about how to log out from Google account. If we are going into the Play Store and we are storing data in drives. So if you want to log out from a Google account, I am going to tell you two methods, very simple methods by which you can log out from Google account in your mobile. The very first thing is go to the Gmail and here just touch on this profile icon, and now go to the manage accounts on this device. After that this will come. Just tap on this. If you have 2 or 3 accounts, just tap on the account which you want to remove. Just tap on that and remove account. Okay, this is the first method. The second method is go to the Play Store. In the Play Store, just tap on this right upper corner, and after that just tap on here the arrow manage account on this device, and after that choose the account which you want to remove. Just remove account. So these are the two methods by which you can remove the Google account from your mobile. So in very simple words I have explained. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel and share it with your friends. That's all. Thank you very much.